OMC Cobra outdrive on an 89 205 4-wind Sundowner. We're doing outdrive oil change. You can see we're draining right there at the bottom from the lower plug. You pull the upper fill plug right out there in the center. That allows it to drain freely. The drain plug is the short one right there. A little magnet on the end to catch any metal shavings, and then the fill plug right there has the stem and then the oil level indicator line. Using AMS oil, full synthetic marine gear lube, along with an AMS oil pump. I always like to use the best when you got to rely on it to get us back home. I know we're losing daylight here, but it took forever for this gear oil to drain, but the simple tool works by just screwing it in by the lower plug, putting it right in the bottle, and then filling it up until fluid starts coming out the top, at which point you put the fill plug in, pull this out, and by the time you put the drain plug in, that is how OMC calls for filling this lower unit. They call for 64 ounces to fill, so 2 quarts should be enough, but we have extras just in case.